So, Satya, you've emphasized before that AI is going to shape all that we do. What does this look like in practice? At Microsoft, how does this actually drive your strategy, and particularly thinking about how AI will influence ideas beyond, the immediate incredible product suite, like the broader economy?
At Microsoft, I feel we're a platform company, a product company, and a partner company. So I think of those three dimensions. And I've kind of, in my 35 years, I've lived through client server, web internet, mobile cloud. This is the fourth. So that's just at least how I pattern match. So the first thing that I think about is the platform opportunity. When I sort of look at all the folks here, the interesting thing is the compounding effects of all these platforms, right? So this AI piece, the reason why I think the rate of diffusion is so fast, so well, and so wide, is because it builds on the previous generation. I think about, like, if the cloud was not there, we wouldn't have been able to build the AI supercomputers, which then led to the models, which then led to the products, right? So that compounding effect is the interesting thing to me. So that's why you always sort of take the previous platform and build the next platform, and you want to be able to get that right. And then you got to build the next generation products on top of it, right? With each one of these platform shifts, there's a new workload, right? I mean, when I first remember looking at the large scale training job, I mean, it's kind of a very different workload to what we built, for example, the cloud with, right? It's a data parallel synchronous workload, which is so different than, let's say, a Hadoop job or what have you. And so the platform itself then completely gets completely relitigated and changed. So to me, that's, I think, the exciting thing on the platform side. It's golden age of system software. Quite frankly, today, if I had to think about anybody who's building at the infrastructure layer, not just the hyperscalers, but even the startups, I think that's a tremendous opportunity. Obviously, there's a tremendous opportunity in the model side, and then the products on top of it. So yeah, we think of these, and then ultimately, what's it for? It's for one thing and one thing alone, which is to drive ultimately economic growth and GDP growth. So if I had to ask me, my benchmark for AI is it